This will be bank number 2 of the elevators at the Residence Inn Orlando at SeaWorld. Got Alex with us.
Go ahead. I mean, I've ridden these. These ones light up red.
The call button here does.
Yeah, the call button.
Which one will it be? That one. Okay. 2-6.
This one hasn't gone to change at all.
All right, let's listen to the motor. Here on 6. We'll go back down to 2 because that's where Alex's room is.
Yep.
Let me get a quick look at the call button up here.
For you.
Lantern already went out.
Oops.
It's good. Pretty basic looking elevator. Nothing too fancy. Hello. You're on 2. And here we are. Here's a look at the call button. Look at that. And anyways, there it goes. And that is gonna be it.